Hello folks, Oak Stitching back at it again. Crispy Skin Jerk Salmon with coconut lime sauce on sweet potato puree and Bok Choy. Nobody gets that. Down. That's some rich coconut milk. Lime juice. Okay, we're not going to cover it because we want the crispy skin to remain. So it's going to be medium crispy. So we put it in the coconut milk with lemon juice and let it cook from the other side.
We're just going to flip the salmon. The salmon is still the same way. When the salmon is ready, I take it out. Finish my vegetables. Nice little pick. If they want, they can poke the salmon if they want to. It's their choice. Only I want the skin to be semi-crispy and and then everything else.
By the way, I'm here today with my trainer, and he decided to do something else crazy. The bok choy is actually being cooked in the broth that the coconut with coconut milk and the salmon is in it. He's gonna remove the salmon shortly, and then he's gonna remove the salmon shortly, and then when the bok choy will finish cooking in this sauce. See, this is I gain all my cooking skills hanging with this trained professional chef. Most of the videos on my channel are done by me, but when he comes in, he does some other crazy stuff with cooking. And I appreciate when he comes by because I learn so much from him. This is like going to chef school. Perfectly cooked salmon. You can see the juice just start coming out. Now we're finishing off the bok choy in the coconut milk sauce. Sorry, coconut and lime sauce.
that looks nice.
Mash puree.
Puree sweet potato.
And we not use no immersion blender. We not put no in no blender. This I do it the real way.
Old school style. It's time for us to plate. So we'll be right back.